Hello there, welcome. Right, if you are wondering on Wix how to have a page, we wanted this all page to show specific items. So now inside this store that we have here, we actually have our customers come in store. So once they click on the premium side, this is where it shows all of the items that we have in store. Now, as soon as they click shop, it still shows those items because you can't separate it. You can't stop the all button from not being there. And it's very silly from Wix that it doesn't allow you to just create something or just remove these. Because if I remove them here, it'll take them off this whole page. So if you are wondering if there's a specific button just to remove those items not in stock, or to have all items structured in such a way. One other thing. If you wanted this all button, all of these items here, if you wanted them to be structured in a certain way, it's really silly from Wix that there's basically no option. So if I go into edits, and here we are, all products, there's no way to sort it. There's no way to show the newest at the top or the oldest at the top. You have to physically, manually drag each item, which is really, really silly. Anyhow, found not a fix, but this is your solution. So I created another page. So what is, on our home page, when we click here to shop online, we only want them to buy those items that are in stock. So this page is not complete yet, but I had to manually create those items. So if you are searching for a solution, there is none. I've spent the last 2 hours searching for a solution. There's nothing. You have to manually create your own category. So I've created my own category. I called it Our Shop. Click save, and now all I'm going to do is I am going to link that here. So as soon as they click this, it'll take them straight onto those items there. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, anything tech related, please do ask me, and I will try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.